Hey Amber babies, how you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my beauty channel, my dermarolling channel. Guys, today I have a video how often and what exact size you should be using. I know you guys have a lot of questions because I get so many questions about sizes and how often you want to use. Guys, today this video for you about the sizes and how often you should be using, because you don't want to damage your skin. If you overdo it, you're going to damage your skin and you don't want to do that. So guys, if you want to know, please keep on watching. Now, why you don't want to overuse your Dermaroll on the skin? Because it's literally damaging the skin. Guys, I don't want to scare you, but it's seriously damaging your skin. I have customers, sometimes they don't do their research, they're not interested, they just got a roller, they just roll wherever they think it's right to do it. They get like 1 millimeter and they roll like every 3 days. I had a customer, she purchased 1 millimeter and she was rolling every other or every 3 days, and I'm like, what the heck? Now guys, if you go to my website jenamber.com, I'm gonna link my website down below under this video. So if you're watching, scroll down, if you see upside down triangle on your phone, just click that triangle and you're gonna be brought to the section where is description. If you're watching on computer, you just scroll down, you're gonna see description. Go to my website jenamber.com, then go to choose the right roller fact questions, like frequently asked questions. I have made the table how often you should be using Dermaroll. Guys, this is really important. This is the rule number 1 that you should know how often you can use your size Dermaroll. Now, I don't know what kind of size Dermaroll you have, but I have 5 sizes on my website: 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter. Now let's start with the smallest size possible. In my table, if you see, there is a serum penetration, yes. Large pore, yes. Anything else, 0.25, is not going to remove your fine lines, it's not going to do anything. It's just like a product penetration, because this size is really small. This size can be used every other day, not every day, every other day. You can use this size also in between the other sizes. Kind of, if you're going to use the other sizes like any other size, let's heal from another size at least like a couple of days, and then you can start using 0.25 in between, because people have been asking me if they can mix and match Dermarollers. Yes, you actually can do that. Now, next size what I have on my table is 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller, which is really good for large pores. It's good for hyperpigmentation, for hair loss, chest stretch marks, wrinkles. This size is the most common size that people buy from my website. This size actually is the best size to me. I love this size the most because one size can do basically everything. So how often you can use this size? Only once a week, not often, no more often. You can use once a month or whatever, but the most often that you should be using this size is only once a week. Now, if you combine with 0.25 over here, the size, so for example, if you're using Mondays 0.5, then you can in between, for example, Thursdays and Saturdays, you can use 0.25. Now, my next size that I have is 0.75. It's good for hair loss. It's really good, this size for the hair loss, and then for wrinkles, for deep wrinkles, for shallow scars. So hair loss, this size is really amazing. This size you cannot use more often than once every 3 weeks. It's amazing for the deep wrinkles that you have in the lower part of your face, deep wrinkles. You should be using this size. If you have like saggy jowls and stuff like this, do not use this size on your forehead and around the eyes. Now, next size that I have, 1 millimeter, is good to use for deep wrinkles, also on your jowls, on the lower part face. Then it's good for hyperpigmentation, also everywhere on your body, that even you have on your legs, on the arms, and shallow scars and deep body scars and stretch marks. So if you're a beginner, for example, for deep body scars, stretch marks, you can start with one. One cannot be used more often than once a month, because you guys need the time for skin to recover, to regenerate, to build up again collagen, elastin. If you use 1 millimeter Dermaroll, it takes time for collagen and elastin build up in your skin. It's like when you go to the gym, you never start with like, for example, if you're lifting for the biceps, you don't start with 100 pounds and do every single day, because it's not gonna happen nothing. You're going to just destroy the muscle. It's gonna happen opposites from what you want to get benefits. So once a month for scars and for really deep acne scars. Now I didn't select for the hair loss, but if you have really thick hair and if you went through already 0.5 and 0.75 for the hair loss, you also can use 1 millimeter. It's just like, be careful guys. This is doing this video just basically most for the beginners or like medium beginners, not for advanced. Next size that I have is 1.5 millimeter. This can be used for deep body scars and deep stretch marks. So for example, if you have a stretch marks that are really old and really deep, so you can start with 1.5 millimeter once every 6 weeks. This is for the beginners. Then if you use like 1.5 millimeter for a year already, you can do actually every month, every 4 weeks. In the beginning, it's just only every 6 weeks. If you want to combine, I know people been asking me, they want to combine, mix and match, bunch of sizes. People purchase all the sizes. They want to use all sizes at once, guys. This is not a good idea. Unless you're using 1.5 for your body, then you can do in between. I know 6 weeks, for example, 1.5 is really long time. You can actually do 0.75 a couple of times in between, but always remember, no matter what size you use, guys, once you Dermaroll with this size, like on Monday, January 1st, with this size you Dermaroll, bigger the size, longer the waiting time until the next size you need to Dermaroll. For example, January 1st, you Dermaroll with 1.5 your stretch marks, and then January, let's say 15, you can use 0.75 in between, and then a week after you can use again, like not 2 weeks, like 10 days after 0.75, which is going to be January 25th. So it's going to be something that you're going to be doing for your stretch marks in between. Six weeks is a really long time, but the most time that you have to give to your skin to regenerate and build the collagen and elastin in your skin since the day you started. So for example, 1.5, at least 2 weeks, don't use any Dermaroller. With 1.0 millimeter is the same. With 0.5, it's just like you can start using some smaller size, which is 0.25 after a couple of days. I hope this, guys, helps for you. Now, if you don't know, this applies only for the My Dermaroller. I don't know other brands. I don't know what kind of quality they use. I don't know if they use metal wheels, which is completely different Dermaroller from mine. I have real individual needles, and this Dermaroller is really sharp. I cannot guarantee for other companies. This table is just for my brand. I don't know other brands. I'm not familiar with the other brands. I don't know what kind of quality needles they're using and everything. For my Dermarollers, I can assure you guys that quality is really good. I've been trying, and I've been using my Dermaroller for more than a year, and I have over 8,000 orders already placed, over 10,000 happy customers, and I never received any negative comment. I cannot still believe almost a year in this business and I haven't received any negative comment. I just like blows my mind how people love it, how people trust it, how people like it. You can read all the reviews on my website. I'm completely honest, open. You can guys go ahead and check all the comments and stuff like this. So guys, that's it for today. I hope I helped somebody. If you had a question how often and what size you should be using, always go to my website, check it out, the table, and that's it guys for today. I love you so much, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.